Quick info before the video. If you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a referral code on Hyperliquid. Website is app.hyperliquid.xyz. Okay, so let's go to the referral section. Just before we move further, click on Enter Code, and if you have less than $10,000 of trading volume, put CRYPTOUNI and confirm. This code will give you a 4% discount on trading fees. Okay, let's go back, and if you want to create a referral code, click on Create Code. Now, your account needs to have a total of at least $10,000 of trading volume to generate a code. So if you want to do it the quickest way, let's go to the trading platform. Go to Bitcoin trading pair and increase leverage to the maximum available. Now open positions and close them back and forth, and stop once you have gained a total volume you need. Once you have finished it, go to the referrals section. Here click on the Create Code button. Put the name you want and click Create. Success! I've created my unique ref code. If you have the code, you can always check it by clicking on Share Code button on this page. Share it with your friends and have fun. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.